Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by sectioning dry hair into 4 equal panels so you can apply evenly. This prevents missed strands later. Once sectioned, measure a 1:1 mix, 1 ounce Redken Shades EQ plus 1 ounce processing liquid in a non-metal bowl because metal can alter the chemistry. Make sure to don gloves and load your brush. You need a steady, decisive hand. Apply to the first panel immediately so the product remains active, and you keep timing consistent across sections. Once the first panel is treated, work methodically through each section. Apply from mid-lengths to ends, then blend into the roots if the formula is intended for all-over toning. Press and comb through with a wide tooth comb to ensure full saturation and even distribution. This avoids patchy results. Make sure to monitor development, checking every 5 minutes in natural light to observe the tone shift, because processing time controls how much warmth or coolness you remove. When the desired tone appears, rinse thoroughly with cool water until it runs clear. Avoid shampooing because Shades EQ seals better that way. After rinsing, apply a color care conditioner and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes to restore moisture and stabilize the color. If the result is too ashy, make a small warm-toned refresh. Mix a drop of warm shade with processing liquid and apply only where needed for 2 to 3 minutes. Then rinse and condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.